Because America is what it is. In our neighborhood, they just go a little crazy with the fireworks. They're a little insane. They would rather spend money on fireworks than feed their children around here. So we just gotta bounce out. We're going up to the top of the mountains where we can get away from them. We're gonna stream some content on the iPad. Hang out in our Subi, just so our dogs don't go absolutely crazy and die of heart attack. I don't think they would, but they really don't like it, so we might as well go. I have the water and I have the snacks and I have the mosquito net that you asked for, and I have the two camping chairs, and I have 2 dog leashes. I can't find Romy's. Is it right here? I'm sorry, Bertego. Oh, I think I just squished a couple chips in the chip bag. Oh man. We might have a couple crumbly chips. Start the AC up. See, we got a bed back here, and that's what's gonna be nice about it. We can just lounge around in the Subaru and have some snacks and watch some TV. Gotta get away from these fireworks. God damn. Romy, you're the only one here brave enough to be outside right now, huh?
May I have a question?
Tiger, where are you going? I did. Alright, so we're gonna grab some sandwiches from a grocery store here, and you know what? I think sandwiches are a pretty cool food item. They come out alright some of the time. A lot of the time they're pretty good. And that's pretty nice. I think a sandwich is a good idea usually. Usually you can't go wrong with the sandwich. That's what I say.
I totally forgot about these. I need to get these snacks.
Those snacks? What are you doing here? Very good. You got it. Come on, Romy. Sorry, Bertego.